Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Chevy Impala. Stock number is A7086A. Starting right away up front, you have a chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Looking in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, cruise controls, and a heated steering wheel all mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Impala on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.